Welcome to our tutorial about the Isolate command. If your drawing happens to get too busy, you can select the entities you want to work with and hide the rest. Once you've selected your entities, right-click and scroll to Isolate. Let's select Isolate Objects. Now we only see the objects that I selected. Another method is to select the objects, right-click, Isolate, and choose Hide Objects. So this command works kind of in reverse of the previous command. It hides everything you select. Bringing everything back in is really easy. Just right-click, scroll up to Isolate, and select End Object Isolation. There's also another quick way to do this. The status bar has an Object Isolation button. Right-click, select Isolate Object. Now I can window select objects I want to isolate. Just right-click to finish the selection and execute the command. The bulb turns red when some objects are isolated. Right-click and select End Object Isolation to restore all of the geometry. This concludes our tutorial about the Isolate command.